Hello friends, welcome to Madilgekers Academy. Today we are starting third chapter of Mathematics 1, class 12, that is trigonometric functions. We studied lot of results, lot of formulae and discussed many examples based on trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions in class 11, like examples based on factorization, defactorization, double angle, triple angle, and many more. Here we are going to study trigonometric equations. Now let us define what are trigonometric equations. An equation involving trigonometric functions are called trigonometric equations. An equation involving trigonometric function or functions are called trigonometric equation. For example, 2 sin x minus 1 equals to 0. Cos x plus sin x equals to 1. Or tan cube x minus 3 tan x equals to 0. So these are all trigonometric equations. The next word immediately comes after equation is solution. Let us define now solution of trigonometric equation. A value of a variable in a trigonometric equation which satisfies the equation is called solution of trigonometric equation. Consider an example. 2 sin x minus 1 equals to 0. From this trigonometric equation, we can write sin x as 1 by 2. Recall for which x, sin x will be 1 by 2. Yes, 30 degrees. Or you may write pi by 6. So this is one of the value which satisfies the trigonometric equation 2 sin x minus 1 equals to 0. There are two types of solutions. One is principal solution, second is general solution. What are principal solutions? Solutions of trigonometric equations which lies between 0 and 2 pi, which lies in the interval 0 and 2 pi, are called principal solutions. General solutions means solutions which can be generalized, which can be written in terms of n using the periodicity of trigonometric functions is called general solutions. For example, we know sine 0 is 0, sine pi is also 0, sine 2 pi is also 0, and so on. So these equations, these results can be generalized as sine of n pi equals to 0. Means if sine theta is 0, then theta must be integral multiple of pi. This solution, which is written in terms of n, is called general solution. Let us discuss now some important formulae. First, as we had discussed now, sine theta equals to 0 if and only if theta must be integral multiple of pi, where n belongs to set of integers. Cos theta is 0 if and only if theta is odd multiple of pi by 2. tan theta is 0 if and only if theta is n pi. So again here n belongs to z. So you can observe sine and tan have same results. Second, if two sine ratios are equal, say sine theta and sine alpha are equal, then there is a relation between sine theta and sine alpha. There is a relation between theta and alpha. Theta is n pi plus minus 1 raised to n into alpha. Third, cos theta equals to cos alpha. Then theta must be 2n pi plus or minus alpha. Next is tan theta equals to tan alpha. Then theta is n pi plus alpha, where theta and alpha are not odd multiples of pi by 2, because if they are odd multiples then tan theta is not defined. And now the last result for squares, sine square theta equals to sine square alpha, cos square theta equals to cos square alpha, tan square theta equals to tan square alpha. For all these three, result is same. Theta is n pi plus or minus alpha. So these are some important results of trigonometric functions, and these are very helpful in solving examples of exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, question number 1. Find the principal solutions of the following equations. Principal solutions means solutions which lies in between 0 and 2 pi. First example, cos theta equals to 1 by 2. So you recall for which angle cos is 1 by 2? Yes, correct, for pi by 3. So cos pi by 3. So here we get the first value as pi by 3 and it belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Let's check whether there exists one more angle which lies in between 0 and 2 pi. We know allied angle formula, cos of 2 pi minus theta is cos theta. So here if we substitute theta equals to pi by 3, so it will be cos pi by 3. Cos of 2 pi minus pi by 3 is 5 pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So here we get the second value of theta as 5 pi by 3. And as we know, 0 is less than pi by 3 is less than 2 pi, and 0 less than 5 pi by 3 is less than 2 pi. Both the angles are in between 0 and 2 pi. So we can say principal solutions are pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. So in this way, using allied angles, we can find the principal solutions. Second example, sec theta equals to 2 by root 3. We can convert it into cos and solve. Cos theta is root 3 by 2. So this implies theta equals to pi by 6. Again apply the same allied angle formula, cos of 2 pi minus theta equals to cos theta, and substitute theta equals to pi by 6. So it is cos pi by 6. That is cos of 11 pi by 6 equals to cos pi by 6, which is root 3 by 2. And as both the angles pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 lies in between 0 and 2 pi, principal solutions are pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Third example, cot theta equals to root 3. You can convert it into tan theta. Tan theta will be 1 by root 3. For which angle tan theta is 1 by root 3? Pi by 6. So it is tan pi by 6. So here we get the first angle theta as pi by 6, which satisfies the given equation. Now apply allied angle formula. We know that tan of pi plus theta is tan theta. So tan of pi plus, what is theta? Pi by 6 equals to tan pi by 6. Means 7 pi by 6 equals to tan pi by 6 equals to 1 by root 3. So these are the two angles which satisfies the given equation. Therefore, principal solutions are pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6, and both belongs to the interval 0 to 2 pi. Next, fourth bit, cot theta equals to 0. If you convert it into tan theta, then it will be infinity. For which angle tan becomes infinity? For pi by 2. Also, for 3 pi by 2, tan becomes infinity. And both these angles belongs to the interval 0 to 2 pi. As 0 is less than pi by 2 is less than 2 pi, and 0 is less than 3 pi by 2 is less than 2 pi, principal solutions are pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Question number 2. Find the principal solutions of the following equations. Here you can observe in RHS the values are negative values. So again, by using allied angles, we will find the principal solutions. Sin theta equals to minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is sine of pi by 6. We can write this as sine of pi plus pi by 6, because sine pi plus theta is minus sine theta. So it gives you sine of 7 pi by 6. The first value which we get is 7 pi by 6. We have one more allied angle formula. Also, we have sine of 2 pi minus theta equals to minus sine theta. So in this question, if you observe, you have to apply those allied angle formulae which gives minus sine theta, as the RHS of the given equation is minus. Now here you put theta equals to pi by 6. So sine of 2 pi minus pi by 6 is minus sine pi by 6. That is sine of 11 pi by 6 equals to minus half. Means principal solutions are 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. Let's switch to second bit. Here tan theta is minus 1. Minus 1 it gives for pi by 4. So it is tan pi by 4. Again apply allied angle formula. Tan of pi minus pi by 4. By using this allied angle formula, tan of pi minus theta equals to minus tan theta. That is tan of 3 pi by 4. So here we get first angle 3 pi by 4. Also we have tan of 2 pi minus theta equals to minus tan theta. Put theta equals to pi by 4 minus tan pi by 4. That is tan of 7 pi by 4 equals to minus 1. So the second value of theta satisfying the given equation is theta equals to 7 pi by 4. Means the principal solutions are 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. Now next third bit is root 3 cosec theta plus 2 equals to 0. You can write this as cosec theta equals to minus 2 by root 3. You can convert it into sine theta. So sine theta will be minus root 3 by 2 means minus sine of pi by 3. Apply allied angle formula. Sine pi plus theta equals to sine theta. So here sine theta equals to, so converting this minus sine pi by 3 into allied angle pi plus pi by 3, which is 4 pi by 3. So this is the first principal solution. Also we have sine of 2 pi minus theta equals to minus sine theta. On substituting theta equals to pi by 3. So this will be minus sine pi by 3. That is sine of 5 pi by 3 equals to minus root 3 by 2. So this is the second principal solution, as both 0 less than 4 pi by 3 less than 2 pi and 0 less than 5 pi by 3 less than 2 pi. Principal solutions are 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3.